Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make these super delicious yet super simple cheddar cheese and bacon scones, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm taking some diced pieces of bacon that I just cut up and I'm going to put this into a skillet on about medium-high heat for about 10 minutes till it's good and crispy and golden brown. Now I'm going to take a bowl with some flour, baking powder, and salt and sugar, and I'm going to whisk that for about a minute until it's blended, and I'm going to add in my cubed butter. And we're just going to blend this with our hands until it gets this chalky kind of a texture. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get to that type of texture. You see my bacon is out of the skillet, it's good and crispy, and I'm going to put that into my freezer until I'm ready for it so it can come down to room temp. Now I'm taking my flour mixture again, and I'm taking some buttermilk and an egg, and I'm going to whisk that up really well. Put that into the dry mixture, and I'm just going to fold that about halfway. Then I'm taking my diced green onion and cheddar cheese. Took that bacon out of the freezer. Now that is cooled down, and I'm just going to finish mixing it up all the way. Now I'm going to take a board, and I'm just going to put in about 2 little handfuls of flour. Add that across the board, and I'm going to flop my dough mixture onto the board, and make sure you flour your hands really well. Alright, I'm going to flatten it down some, and I'm going to fold it 1 time. I'm going to fold it 2 times. I'm going to fold it 3. Then I'm going to kind of shape it into like a square cube kind of shape. I'm going to flatten it out about 8 inches, just like that. And then I'm going to take my hands and just kind of try to curve it around the sides till it forms a circle shape instead of the square. Just like that. And that's about an 8-inch circle, guys. So then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut this into 8 individual triangles. Alright, now I'm going to sit those triangles on some non-stick parchment paper. Now I'm taking my egg and milk mixture, or you can just use egg and water, or just egg, or just milk. And I'm going to put this into my oven for 15 minutes on 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you see they're out, and I'm just brushing the tops with some butter to give it a more savory flavor. And these look so good, you guys, and this is the final product here. You can clearly see the green onions. You can see the cheese oozing out. You can see the crispy bacon, and these scones are nice and crispy on the outsides but soft and fluffy on the inside, guys. So I hope you try this recipe out. It makes for a great treat, a perfect grab and go kind of a snack. And I hope to hear from you. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.